Have a good day everyone. Today we will see example tutorial for rotate, align and scale commands. Okay, let's see. Rotate, arrow enter, select object, enter, base point, center point, copy, select copy, angle 135, enter. First let's see align command. AL enter, select object, enter, first source point, first destination point, second source point, second destination point, click, enter, select yes, okay, undo. Now let's see scale command. Okay, scale, SC enter, select object, enter, base point, center point, reference, select, length, click first point, click second point, select points, first point, click, second point, click. Okay, same result. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.